Action.
Another great party, bro.
Woo! Damn.
Dude, you got kind of wild there for a little bit.
Right, dude? Dude, I might need to smoke.
You want to go for a smoke?
Do it.
Alright, it's kind of dark. Oh, I got a flashlight right here.
Oh, it's right here.
Dude.
Yeah, I forgot that matches.
Alright, yeah, you got it. I'll go outside.
Gotten it. We're good.
Alright, man, you ready to smoke?
Let's do it.
Did you hear that?
Was that our basement?
Did it come from down there? Alright, let's go check it out, man.
We gotta check it out. I didn't even know we had a basement.
I think you have to get out here, man.
No.
Let's check it out.
Wow.
Have you ever been down here, man?
You go first, man.
Alright.
Wow.
Think these steps are okay?
Yeah.
Oh, watch your head, bro. Oh. Dude, there's like cigarettes on here or something.
How's it look?
What is this? I don't know, man. Oh, it's probably this. Oh, look at this, dude. That must have been it. That must have just fell.
Something like that.
This is, dude, what the fuck was that? The fuck?